Let's dip. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Whitney and today we will be washing the car, and as you can see we have my #1 fan here, Dakota, and I have another one back there but she's just doing her thing. So I am going to be washing my Scion FRS. I'm going to show you how filthy and dirty it is. I have not washed it in like 2 weeks, maybe a month. I don't know how good the camera can pick it up, but it's just a bunch of bird poop. That's a big one. And a bunch of dirt here too, because apparently I'm going off-roading with this car. And the reason why I don't have my mirror caps or my fin is because I had to go get them carbon overlaid. So I will put a bag over it and be right back. And there it is. Okay, let's continue. See how filthy this car is. Don't mind that bumper. It just goes back in. Hold on. Or it doesn't. I'll fix that later. How filthy it is. Sorry, it's kind of dark. And then, oh, there comes a little one. This is Latte. Latte! Hi! So it's a little chilly today, but I'm here doing it for you guys. I have a bucket of water here, and I'm going to put some wax in here. I put a little of it earlier just to see how much it bubbles, but I'm just gonna mix it up. And then I have my pressure washer where I am going to fill. Fill it halfway. It's actually so cold today. I don't even know why I'm doing this. Why am I doing this? Okay. Now that I have everything ready, let's get started. Now that I finished rinsing the car, I'm gonna go ahead and foam it, and then I'm gonna scrub it down with my sponge. Now that she's all wet and soapy, I'm going to rub her down. Alright, so I'm done scrubbing the whole car down. Finally. It's so sunny out that it's drying up the soap, so I'm gonna have to hurry up. What is this rash? Finally done rinsing the soap off. Now I am going to dry it. I have this towel here, quick absorb towel. It's kind of but we're gonna have to work with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Okay, don't scratch my car. Okay guys, I'm finally done. It is freezing. I can't feel my hands, but here's the final product. I'm gonna show you a walk around. Okay guys, we're finally finished. The car is very clean, very sparkly, very beautiful. So I got really hungry, so let's go to McDonald's. Okay, watch me order. Hi, can I get a Filet-O-Fish, just the sandwich? Okay. And then a Big Mac, just the sandwich? Okay. And then a large fry.
$17.80 please.
Okay, thank you. $17? Bruh. Yeah. Can we like dip? Let's dip. Fuck it. We're dipping, right? Oops. No, but seriously though, $17 for 2 burgers. I ain't about the life, okay? I'm gonna go grab sushi, grab a nice roll, and you know, call it a day. Okay guys, so I finally got food. I ended up getting sushi and spending like $50. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for tuning in to my video today for my car wash. Stay tuned for the next one. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.